Master Guinea Pig.
Hey, where's Mommy's phone?
I'm gonna... I didn't know what I'm gonna be doing today. But, guys, I just want to let you know something. I changed my YouTube name to Master Dog. So if you ever want to go on my channel, just search Master Dog. Then you'll get... Then it might come up, it might not. I don't know. But
What time does Toys R Us open?
That's what I said. What time does Toys R Us open? Nothing came up about it.
If you could just, change some of the things, of the way you
Gabe, I know what time it's open.
When?
10 a.m. to 8 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 7.
Okay.
I think it's 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. So.
Mommy?
But they both open at like 10 a.m.
Mommy?
I know I have a lot.
Mommy? I let Oscar out.
I said, I know I have a
Toys R
lot.
Us is open.
So, that kind of threw him a little. He was expecting an argument, and I'm just like, I'm not even bothered.
There he is.
We're talking. What? Later, I said, okay?
And it's open, just so you know.
Thank you. Thanks for letting me
Oh,
know.
look, I'm zooming out and zooming in. I'm making a video right now. Look at him. He's majestic. Wait, Oscar! What the heck?
No. That was slow. Can't put that in.
Yeah, the metal.
And we're zooming in on the comet. There comet goes. There she goes. Whoa. Mommy, I'm recording you.
You better not put that on YouTube feed.
I am. There's that little cutie.
Is he
Whoa.
okay? Oh, yeah. Oh, he doesn't.
Whoa.
Oscar, crate! Or kitchen.
Guys, her name is Comet. Give a like on this video if you love Comet. Guys, which is her. Wait, I'll zoom in. There she is.
Go on my YouTube now.
Why? You're gonna watch my video? Yeah. So guys, that's not it for today. Cause I almost forgot to show you this guy if he ever comes out.
Say Spot.
Spot. If he ever comes out. Hello? Spot. Spot, are you sleeping?
There you go. Could be.
I need to feel him.
Did he come out?
No. Well, I guess still, guys, we'll see Spot in the next video if he ever comes out. But we're ending the video here, guys. Master Guinea Pig is out.